So I was chatting with someone the other day about using custom line styles, and they mentioned the problem of having to set up different tools for different scale drawings. And I'll show you what I mean by this. So basically, I've got two sets of elevations here. One's in this viewport and at a scale of 1 to 50, and over here the rest of the drawings at a scale of 1 to 100. So we know if we're looking at doors and areas, you can set them to your toolboxes to or tool sets to work to scaled areas. So what I mean by that is if I take this door here and place it on this at 1 to 50, it fits. If I move over to a different scale, Revu automatically knows to change the appearance of that item, that measured item. If I look at the markups list down here, 2.15 square meters, 2.15 square meters. So the tool updated it automatically. This doesn't happen with line styles. So what I mean by that is if I come over here, oh, I've already got one on there. So if I mark up on here and go from there to there, you can see that tool fits perfectly on that drawing. It relays to whoever's looking at the drawing what's been measured. It's a good markup. But if I come over to this one over here and mark on here, well, that's not right. That's just that it's measured the right distance, the right length, but it doesn't look right. So what we're going to do with this is first of all correct that to there. But all you need to do is not create a new tool. All you need to do is come in here and change the line weight. And there you go. That now looks good. So all I would do is when I started a project, if I knew I was measuring at 1 to 100 instead of 1 to 50, all I would do at the beginning of the job is come in here and change that from 1 to 0.5. I'd then save my profile and then I'd keep on measuring. So everything would be correct. If I get the odd drawing at 1 to 50, I can just mark everything up and then I can change the line weight. Same applies to count items. If I come on to this one, dummy chimney. So if I come over here, well, that looks great. But if I come to this house, that's not so good. So all I would do with this one, not line weight, scale, if I change that to 120%, that's perfect. So no extra tool needed. All I would do is come in here and change the scale of my tool in my tool chest. So hopefully that will help a few people and mean they have a lot less work to do and they can use the same custom tools for counts and for linear measurements and not have to create different tools depending on which scale you're measuring to. Thanks, bye.